Hello dear students, welcome to the Southern Global School presented by welcome to the online classes presented by Southern Global School. I am Mr. Farooq Sheikh and today I am going to teach you chapter 4 second part national movement in India. So as I taught in the last Google Meet class about the indigenous movement and also how the Indian people were unitedly fought against the act of the division of Bengal. Okay, let us see. After they were wanted to divide the Bengal into the two parts to make the vacants Indians, Hindu and the Muslim. But then also they made the conspiracy and they provoked the Indian Muslim people to establish their new party. Okay, new political party. Let us see what is the features of the new party of the Muslim League. Here is the Muslim League. Okay, the new party which was established. Okay, so Muslim League. So by adopting the divide and rule policy, the English wanted to create a conflict between Hindus and the Muslims. This is their policy. They wanted to create a conflict between the Hindu and Muslim, and they wanted to divide and rule policy. They wanted to adopt the divide and the rule policy, and that is the why the Viceroy Lord Minto and the Indian Vizier, we are called Diwan or the Wazir, Vizier, Morley together plan to cross the Indian nationalism. This is the Morley Minto. Okay, and the Wazir, this Morley and the Minto, both together they planned the cross Indian nationalism. Okay, like that nationalism was spread all over the India during the divide of the Bengal. When the national fight becomes stronger, the England became to favor the upper class Muslim. Okay, they got the began to favor upper class Muslim. They were given to the favor. Okay, like you are the Indian Muslims, but if there will be the all over the India, if the Hindu rule will establish, then what, who will give you the support? Okay, what will be the your position? So this is the way they were provoking the Indian Muslim people. Okay, so the English become successful in the convincing the group of Muslim that they must form a Muslim organization to demand for separate voting rights and separate voting centers. Now the Britishers, they were successful to convince the some Muslim group of people, some Muslim people, to organize their demand for the separate voting rights and separate voting center. As a result, Muslim League was formed in 1906. Religious head of the Muslim, Aga Khan, Nawab of Dhaka, Salimullah Khan, Viceroy Minto, and his personal minister Dunlop Smith. The Viceroy Minto's the personal minister Dunlop Smith had played an important role in the establishment of organization in order to stop Muslim from attending the annual conference of Congress, the annual conference. Okay, this is the Aga Khan and Nawab of Dhaka, Salimullah Khan, Viceroy Minto. They played a major role to making the Muslim League. What is the purpose? They wanted to make separate voting rights and they wanted to create a separate voting center. And that is the why there was just only the one Indian party. It was called the Congress, Indian National Congress, INC. Okay, INC was ruling over the INC was working for the in behalf of Indian people. Okay, and also that INC was working for to get the freedom from the Britishers. So that is why there was some conference was held in the INC, so they did not attend this conference. Okay, so the annual conference of the Muslim League was arranged on the same day at the and that of the Congress. Means while the Congress have to arrange that conference, so on the same day that Muslim League also organized that conference. So what happened? That who are the Muslim leaders? They will not go to the conference of the Congress. Thus, the demand for separate representations is not the brainchild of the Muslim, but that of the English policy. That is the, we can say that separation of the separate Muslim nation, that was not the child, that was not the demand of the Muslims, but it was a thought brainchild of the इंग्लिश पॉलिसी, यानी कि वो इंग्लिशों के दिमाग का करतूत था. ब्रिटिशर्स मेड दिस कॉन्स्पिरेसी. ओके, Minto started the policy to taking Muslim as associates. That's why many writers consider Minto as a father of Muslim communalism, and that is why many of the writers has wrote that Minto was the father of Muslim communalism, यानी कि मुस्लिम सोसाइटी के लिए who provoked them, उनको कौन उकसा रहा था अलग पार्टी बनाने की, that he was the Minto. Morley Minto was the father of Muslim communalism. Muslims did not want separate nation, but they were provoked by the Britishers. A historian also goes to the extent of saying that the real creator of Pakistan was not Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Okay, as it is in our India, there is our national father is the Mahatma Gandhi. So in the Pakistan, they have national father, there is Muhammad Ali Jinnah. So some historian also have goes to the extent to saying that the real creator of Pakistan was not Muhammad Ali Jinnah or Rahmatullah, but Minto. That Murli Minto was the real creator of the Pakistan. Since the conflict between the Hindu and the Muslim increased and resulted in the division of India. While they were failed to divide the Bengal into the two divisions, then they make the conspiracy and they were divide the whole India country into two separate nations. Okay, and that is why they also have started the many more conflict between the Hindu and the Muslim, and they resulted in the division of India. Because of some greedy people, this was the happen. They wanted to stay in the power. Okay, let us see the birth and the development of extreme revolutionary movement. Extreme revolutionary movement, they were believe in the violence. What is our right? We have to grab it. We don't have to request for it. There is this their thinking. So revolutionary activity in India was started by the Vasudev Balwant Phadke. Here you can see the picture. That Vasudev Balwant Phadke, he was the person who started the revolutionary activity in the India. Revolutionaries like Damodar Chapekar and Balkrishna Chapekar brother. Okay, Damodar Chapekar and Balkrishna Chapekar. This both brother. Veer Savarkar, Barindranath Ghosh, Khudiram Bose, Praful Chaki, Ram Prasad Bismil, Ashfaqullah Khan, Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh, Shiv Ram Rajguru, Sukhdev, Patukeshwar Dutt, Roshan Singh, etc. carried on the torch of nationalism. This all the revolutionary. They wanted to take independent freedom from the British, not by the non-violence, by the satyagraha, but they were believe this is the our birthright and we have to grab it at any cost, do or die for it. Okay, youth trained in making and using weapons were constant threat for the English government. And now this is all the youth people, they were using the weapons to get the freedom from the Britishers. और इसी वजह से ब्रिटिश वो डर गए थे. They were threatened for the Muslim, for the Indian youth. Now here you can see the revolutionary, they were not only the Hindus, they are also the Hindus, Muslim, and also Sikhs were there. Means all fought unitedly. But separation of the Hindu and Muslim, this was the thought of the Britishers only, because they wanted to divide Hindu and Muslim and create a conflict between them. And they wanted to make the Indians weaker. Fiery revolutionary movement began in India and spread in other countries as well as. And the fiery revolutionary movement, they were beginning in India and spread in the other countries as well. और दूसरे देशों में भी ये revolutionary movement वो start हो गई थी. Means that only our India was not under rule of the Britishers. The Britishers have established their colonies, the empires in the Asian countries too and in the African countries too. यानी कि उन्होंने अपना एम्पायर एशिया में भी और अफ्रीका में भी एस्टेब्लिश किया था, नॉट इन सम कंट्रीज. एंड दैट इज द वाई ऑल द इंडियन, एशियंस एंड अफ्रीकन नेशन वांटेड टू get free from the British rule. That is why many of the revolutionary movement were started in all over the world. The circumstances in the background were the cancellation of the partition of Bengal the partition of two groups, Jahal radicals and the Mawal moderates. Okay, while the cancellation of the partition of Bengal, and because of this, there was also two parties were group, two partition of two groups. Jahal means who were believe in the extremes, okay, who were believe in the not, who were believing in the violence. They were called the Jahal radicals, and the Mawal moderates. Okay, the moderate means they were believing in the non-violence. Okay, truth and peace. At the Congress conference in the Surat 1907, the terrific opposition of the practice of Congress of making only resolution and request. When there was a conference was held at the Surat in 1907, so they have taken a resolution that they will get the freedoms only by the request. Okay, the Lal Bal Pal. Okay, this is the one trio. Lal, Bal, and Pal. You also learn about this Lal, Bal, and Pal in the previous classes. Adopted the radical attitude which brought new life in the young Indian activists. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bal, Bankim Chandra Pal, and Lala Lajpat Rai. Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and Bankim Chandra Pal. These three tried Lal, Bal, and Pal. They were believe in the they were believe in the violence, because freedom is our birthright. आज़ादी वो हमारा जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार है, and that is why we have to grab it at any cost. Okay, by hook or by crook. And this is their activities. They were brought new life in the young Indian activists. The Lederic policy of Indian National Congress got a solid new turn, and which were the previous traditional policies of the Indians, and they were also got the new turn that many of the youth were joined with the Jahalwad and the radicals activities like the Khudiram Bose, Ram Prasad Bismil, Asfaqullah Khan, Chandrasekhar Azad. This is the young you can see here: Khudiram Bose, Ram Prasad Bismil, Asfaqullah Khan, and Chandrasekhar Azad. Sardar Bhagat Singh, Shivram Rajguru, Sukhdev Thapar, and Rohan Singh. They were believed in the violence to get independence from the British rule. Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak declared it firmly: freedom is my birthright and I will achieve it anyhow. Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. So Bal Gangadhar Tilak had declared firmly that freedom is my birthright and I will achieve it anyhow. यानी कि आज़ादी वो मेरा जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार है और उसको मैं किसी भी हाल में हासिल करके रहूँगा. एंड दिस बिकम द मैक्सिम फॉर द रिवॉल्यूशनरी फ्रीडम फाइटर्स. और ये एक स्लोगन बन गया था फॉर ऑल द फ्रीडम फाइटर्स, यानी कि आज़ादी के जो लड़वैये थे, हु आर द वीर ऑफ द आज़ादी, who wanted to gain freedom from the British rule. For them, this became a slogan, maxims. At the time, a group of Indian youth undertook activities to seek freedom from the foreign rule. These extreme revolutionaries were more than happy to sacrifice their life for the motherland. And these extremist revolutionaries, they are more than happy to sacrifice their life for the motherland. यानी कि वो अपनी जान भी खुशी खुशी दे रहे थे. They were happy more than sacrifice their life for the motherland. They could give up their lives or take lives in order to attain freedom. And for this freedom, वो किसी की जान ले भी सकते थे और किसी की जान दे भी सकते और खुद की जान दे भी सकते थे. वो for what this? To gain freedom from the British rule, not for the other purpose, not for the money, not for the loot, not for the another crime, but to gain freedom from the British rule. Revolutionary activities spread in the Maharashtra, Bengal, Punjab, Bihar, Orissa, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madras province, Uttar Pradesh. Okay, in the many of the province this was spread: Maharashtra, Bengal, Punjab, Bihar, Orissa, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, and Madras province. Madras now is known as the Chennai. Here you can see this is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Okay, He is the Bal. Lal, Bal, and Pal. Okay, Lala Lajpat Rai and Bankim Chandra Pal. And Central India. Among these activities were some like Mitra Mila Society, Abhinav Bharat Samaj, अनुशीलन समिति, अंजुमन ए मोहल्ले ने वतन, इंडियन पैट्रियट्स एसोसिएशन, later it was known as the Bharat Mata, etc., and thus gave impetus to revolutionary activities. Many of the activities were started like Mitra Mila Society. Okay, this you have to underline in your notebook. This can be asked in the exam too, that which the activities were started by the revolutionary people. अभिनव भारत समाज, अनुशीलन समिति, अंजुमन मोहल्ले ने वतन, इंडियन पैट्रियट्स एसोसिएशन, it is later on known as a Bharat Mata, etc., and thus gave the impetus to revolutionary activities. और इन सभी एक्टिविस्ट ने जो रिवोल्यूशनरी एक्टिविटीज को बहुत ज़्यादा स्पीड दी. In the first stage, newspaper and the magazine like Sandhya, Yugantar, Navshakti, and Vande Mataram, Kesari, Maratha give constant strain to the activities. In the first stage, the newspaper also play the major role to give the strain to these revolutionary activities, and that newspapers were like Sandhya, Yugantar, Navshakti, and Vande Mataram, Kesari, Maratha. Okay, about 34 revolutionary were prosecuted in the Alipur massacre. Several revolutionaries were arrested in the Howrah massacre and the Dhaka massacre, attempts to kill Lord Hardinge by throwing a bomb in Delhi. Kand, Hatya Kand. Okay, the many of the 34 revolutionaries were prosecuted in the Alipura massacre, and several revolutionaries were arrested in the Howrah massacre and Dhaka massacre because they have killed Harding by throwing a bomb in Delhi, यानी कि दिल्ली में उन पे बॉम्ब डाला गया था. Dropping bomb on Viceroy Minto on November 13, 1909 outside Raipur Darwaja in Ahmedabad can all be given an example of this. And also after this, Viceroy Minto, who was the creator of this policy, on him also on November 1909 outside of the Raipur Darwaja, which is situated in the Ahmedabad, that bombs were dropped on him. This can all be given an example of this. Okay, these all are the example of the revolutionary activities. Means they wanted to gain freedom by hook or by crook. Means we can say they could give their life and they could take a life for the freedom. In the second stage, 1922 to 1942, events like Kakori loot case, Lahore massacre, and dropping of bomb on Central Parliament Delhi took place. You have already studied about the other revolutionaries engaged in all these activities. Okay, in the 8th standard also you study about this all the revolutionaries. Okay, and they also have the dropped bombs, and they also have the Kakori loot case. Okay, Kakori, there was a one train which was moving to the transfer the jewelries and the wealth, so they were looted this train. Then Lahore massacre, they were killed many of the British soldiers, and they also dropped the bomb on the Central Parliament Delhi took place. So these all are the revolutionary activities was done by the revolutionaries. Then fiery revolutionary movement in Gujarat. After this, in the Gujarat also, that many of the revolutionary movement were started. सर अरबिंदो घोष वॉज पायनियर ऑफ द आर्म रिवॉल्यूशन इन गुजरात, यानी कि गुजरात में अगर किसी ने आर्म रिवॉल्यूशन स्टार्ट किया था, सो ही वॉज द सर अरबिंदो घोष. बट ही रिमेन बिहाइंड द कर्टन्स, बट ही वॉज ऑलवेज बिहाइंड द कर्टन्स, यानी कि वो पर्दे के पीछे रह के वो अपना काम कर रहे थे. बट हिज ब्रदर बरिंदर कुमार घोष ऑलवेज रिमेन इन फॉरफ्रंट. बट उनके जो भाई थे, दैट बरिंदर कुमार घोष, ही वॉज ऑलवेज ऑन द फ्रंट, यानी कि वो हमेशा आगे रहते थे. He arrived in Gujarat and moved toward the southern part. Here he meets Sri Chotubai and Sri Ambubai Purani. And Sri Aurobindo Ghosh's brother, that Barindra Kumar, he arrived in Gujarat and he moved toward the southern parts. And here he meets Sri Chotubai Purani and Sri Ambomai Purani. Very able companions, Sakarya Swami meet him on bank of Narmada, and very able companions that Sakarya Swami also meet him on the bank of Narmada. This Swami was associated with the Queen of Jhansi at the time of revolt 1857, and this Sakarya Swami he was associated with the Jhansi ki Rani लक्ष्मी बाई मणिकर्णिका, यानी कि उन्होंने उनके साथ में रह के 1857 का जो रिवॉल्ट उनके साथ में रह के उन्होंने लड़ाई की थी. So Barindra Kumar involved some of the middle class youth from Vadodara, Charotar region, Kheda, Ahmedabad, Mehsana in the revolution, and he also involved some middle class youth from the Vadodara, Charotar region, Kheda, Ahmedabad, and Mehsana. In relation to these activities, the buggy of Viceroy Minto was bombed outside Raipur Darwaja in Ahmedabad, and by these revolutionaries, they have dropped bomb on the Viceroy Minto at Raipur Darwaja in the Ahmedabad. In the previous also there was a mention about this incident. Sri Aurobindo Ghosh described the scheme for revolution in his book named Bhavani Mandir. Now listen, that time they were writing the books about the how to do revolutionary activities. So the name of that book was different. They were not write that how to get revolution, how to do revolution, okay, how to get freedom from the Britishers. They did not write this name. They were write a different name that no one can be directly by the looking that cover or the book. They cannot imagine that this is the book about the revolutionary activities. Bhavani Mandir name is the title is the Bhavani Mandir. So anyone can be considered this is the book of the temple. But inside the what is the content is the different. So it was also translated into Gujarati and published in the journal Dakshina. Beside this booklet with the like Desi Vanaspati Davao. See what is the name of that book, which was the spread the revolutionary thinking toward the youth people. Desi Vanaspati Davao. But the Desi Vanaspati Davao, there was a content of the how to make a gun, how to assemble the gun, okay, rifles. These were the content inside the book. Nahawana Sabu Banawani Reet. There was not the making the soap for the bath, but there was a contents about how to make a bomb. बॉम्ब कैसे बनाया जाता है उसकी इन्फॉर्मेशन वहाँ पे थी. कसरत, गुलाबनो किस्सो, कायदानो संघर्ष etc. were published in order to spread the thought of revolution. So the Britishers want to understand this is why they have given this type of title. વનસ્પતિ ની દવાઓ, નહાવાના સાબુ બનાવવાની રીત, કસરત, ગુલાબનો કિસ્સો, કાયદાનો સંઘર્ષ. These, so they have given this title. So the Britishers want to understand what is book about. These booklets contain methods of preparing bombs. What is the method were there? Preparing bombs. Ganganth Vidyalay was established near the Chandod, Karnali, where secret revolutionary activities were carried out. There was also the one Vidyalay school also was started, where was the given revolutionary activities were carried out. Many Gujarati youth joined this revolutionary activity against whom storm action was taken by the government. और बहुत से गुजरात में से जो youth थे they were joined this revolutionary activity, but against them that the British government took stern action. But the fight did not stop, and finally government realized that suppression will not help to rule over the India. And after the government also realized किसी की oppositions को दबाना that is not a final solution, and that is not the will not help them to rule over the India. Now the revolutionary movement in the foreign countries, now not only in the India, revolutionary movement also was started in the foreign countries too. The revolutionary movement began in foreign countries also for giving freedom to Indian from British. The revolutionary activity that began in India spread to the different countries like England, Canada, America, Germany, France, Myanmar, Burma, Malaya, Singapore, Afghanistan, and Russia. Means in this moment the Indians were in these countries. They were started the revolutionary activities in that countries. Means in that countries many of the Indians were there as a labor, as a NRIs too. Okay, so they were started the revolutionary activities in that countries too. The active revolutionaries who took part in revolutionary activities in the foreign countries are, so which were the foreign revolutionaries? They were not the foreigner, but they were the Indian, but who were live in the foreign countries. So who were there? The Shyamji Krishna Verma, Madan Lal Dhingara, Veer Savarkar, Lala Hardayal, Udham Singh, Raja Mahendra Pratap, Madam Bhikhaiji Kama. Madam Bhikhaiji Kama, one of the most important, who made Indian flag first time. Bhikhaiji Kama. The tricolor make flag was made by the Madam Bhikhaiji Kama. Okay, Sardar Singh Rana, Maulana Abdullah, Maulana Basir, Champak Raman Pillai, Dr. Mathursi, Khuda Baks were associated with these activities. You have to keep remember, memorize this all the name, that who are the foreign activities started by the Indians who were started the foreign revolutionary activities in the foreign countries. Okay, the revolutionary activities in the foreign countries give impetus to the revolutionary activities in India. Now Indian also get, because in the foreign there where they can use the guns and all. One Indian people bring that one gun from one rifle from the British, from the England to the India, kept in the book में रखे वहाँ से gun लाए थे, because Indians did not have this type of gun, and they even don't know how to use the gun, how to make a bombs and all. Okay, that is the why Indians, that Britishers were rule over the India more than 200 years, because they have the modern weapons. Indians have done nothing. So pistols were being secretly sent to India from England along with the bidding of cooks. Okay, and also from the England that gun was stand from. Okay, secretly it was sent to India from England along with the bidding of cooks. Madanlal Dingara killed William Willie, who used to criticize the revolutionary. And when the one Britishers, William Valley, who criticized, जिन्होंने criticized किया था, okay, that is why he was killed by the Madanlal Dingara in 1907. The Indian Independence League was established in the California, America, which was later named as Ghadar Party. And in the America and in the California also, there was the Indian Revolutionary Leagues were established, then Indian Independence League, but later on dates leads were known as the Ghadar Party by Lala Hardayal. A weekly named Ghadar was published in four languages. Tarakant Das and Katar Singh to join these activities. And in the California and in the America, which was established that Indian Independence League. Later on, this came to be known as the Ghadar Party, and in this they also established. They also started the publish the weekly. Okay, Saptahik, that is called the Saptahik. In a सप्ताह में एक बार जो magazine is called the weekly or the Saptahik, and the Taraknath Das and Katar Singh also joined these activities. Champak Raman Pillai from the Hind Rashtriya Swayamsevak Dal. Champak Ram Dayal, Champak Raman Pillai. He also started the Hind Rashtriya Swayamsevak Dal in Germany. The plan was made to attack India by making Iraq as a headquarter in 1907, and his plan attack on India, not only the Indian people but on the British soldiers. Okay, from the Iran. In the International Socialist Conference held in the Stuttgart, Germany, the national flag prepared by Madame Kama was hoisted for the first time. Okay, Madame Kama prepared a one Indian flag, and which was hoisted the first time. Raja Mahendra Pratap formed a provisional independence government under Rashtra Pramukh in the Afghanistan, in which Barkatullah, Abedullah, Maulana Bazir, Samsir Singh, Dr. Mathur Singh, etc. also joined this government, made offer to get help Russia, Iran, Turkey, etc. Turkey also helped us that time. Russia also helped, Iran also helped, because they all were suffered by Britishers, and that is why this all the countries help us to get freedom from the Britishers: Turkey, Iran, and the Russia. Also meet the Turkish chief Anwar Pasha and governor the conspiracy Galib Nama written on Resmi Rumal silk handkerchief. And that have also met the Turkish chief Anwar Pasha and the governor and the conspiracy Galib Nama written on Resmi Rumal silk handkerchief. Silk handkerchief पे गालिब नामा पूरा लिखा गया था. Asking all Muslims to unite and fight against the Christians was exposed. And in this, all the Muslims and the Hindus were united and the fight against the Christians was exposed. Rajendra Mahendra Pratap sent a golden slip with his signature to the Russian Caesar, in which he had requested the Caesar to sever all ties with the England. And also the Russian Caesar, in which he had requested Caesar to sever all ties with the England. इंग्लैंड के साथ उन्होंने जितनी भी टाइज किए, जितनी भी ट्रीटीज किए, वो सबको तोड़ दो. Russian revolutionary Trotsky had pledged all his support to the Indian revolutionary, and the Trotsky, after the Caesars, the Trotsky, he also pledged to all his support to the Indian revolution. And Indians जो क्रांतिकारी थे उनको उन्होंने सपोर्ट किया था. That Sohandal Patak in the Burma and the Parmanand in the Singapore carried on revolutionary activities. Sohandal Patak, he has started his active revolutionary activities in the Burma, and the Parmanand has started his revolutionary activities in the Singapore. In addition to this, the Kamangamatru and the Tosamaru steamer event provided inspiration to the Indian revolutionaries staying abroad to fight against the Britishers. Okay, Kamagamatru and the Tosmaru. They have also inspired the steamer. They also steamer even provide inspiration to the Indian revolutionaries staying abroad to fight against the Britishers. The Indian youth in the age group of 18 to 24 years were mainly involved in the radical freedom movement. They used to carry out any kind of thrill acts as they did not fear death when caught. They readily. Readily means red-handedly. The Indian youth from the 18 to 14 years were mainly involved in the radical freedom movement, revolutionary freedom movement. They used to carry out any kind of thrilling act as they did not fear death. यानी कि उनको मौत से भी कोई डर नहीं लगता था. When caught, they readily ambushed that shouting slogan like "Inqilab Jindabad." And whenever they were caught, यानी कि जब वो रंगे हाथ पकड़े जाते थे while doing the revolutionary activities, and they embraced that shouting, और वो जोर जोर से स्लोगन चिल्लाने लगते थे, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद and Vande Mataram for the purpose of freedom of the motherland. Their sacrifice will provide inspiration to the young generation for ages. And they also inspire us today also that we still have to do our country. Don't think what country did for us, we have to think what we have done for our country. यानी कि देश ने हमारे लिए क्या किया ये मत सोचो, बट हमने देश के लिए क्या करना है, think about that. That is also most important. And now also this is the time we should have to wake up. What is the situation of our country? We have to stay unitedly. हमें अब united रहना है. Otherwise the some people, they will divide us and they will rule over the India. So wake up. Okay, so students, here is the about the revolutionary activities part is the over. Morley mentor reforms that I will teach you in the next class. Okay, bye bye, take care.